Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. I'm Crocheting Vandita Batra. Today's video I'm going to show you this beautiful border design. So let's start. For this border I'm using 4-ply wool. This is acrylic wool. With this I'm using 5 number crochet, which is 3.0 mm. For these 2 rounds I'm making 30 chains. You can start with a slip knot, or you can start like this also. Make 30 chains. 3, 4, 5, 6. After 30 chains, skip very first chain and start to make double crochet from the second chain. Double crochet in every chain, or I am making a double crochet basic line. I have completed my basic double crochet basic line. I have 29 double crochet. For second round, make 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn over. Skip first, second and third. In fourth chain, make a slip stitch. Make 5 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip 2 chains. In third chain, make a slip stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Skip 2 chains. In third chain, make slip stitch. Make 5 chains again. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Skip 2 chains and in third chain make slip stitch. We will repeat till the end of this round. We have 9 half circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in last we have left 1 chain. We will leave here. For the third round, we will make 5 chains again. Turn over and make this space a slip stitch like this. Make 5 chains again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Space, make a slip stitch. Now from the next space, make a fan of 7 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in next space make a slip stitch like this. Make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5. Next space make a slip stitch. Now in next space 1 2 3 4 5. In the next space make a slip stitch. Now make a fan again of 7 double crochet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. In the next space make a slip stitch. 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5, and in next space make a slip stitch. In last make 2 chains, and in second chain make 1 double crochet like this. Now make chain 5 3 4 5, turn over, make a slip stitch in next space, make 1 double crochet from the first double crochet. Now chain 1, in next chain 1 double crochet, chain 1, in next chain 1 double crochet, chain 1, in next chain 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the next chain, chain 1 and 1 double crochet in the next chain. Now we have 6 double crochet with 1 chain. In last round we had 7 double crochet, but in this round we have 6 double crochet with 1 chain. Now in next space make a slip stitch. Now chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5. In next space make a slip stitch, and again we will repeat the same round. We will make 6 double crochet with 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet, 1 chain. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In next space make 1 slip stitch, and now make 5 chains, 4 5. In next space make 1 slip stitch like this. For the next round make 5 chains, 1 2 3 4 5. In next space make slip stitch. Now make chain 1, and from the first 1 chain space make a puff stitch of 4 rounds, 1 2, 3 and 4. Chain 1 and make again a puff stitch in the next space of 4 rounds. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 1 in next space, make puff stitch 1, 2, 3 and 4. Make a chain, next space 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1 and last next space 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1. We have 5 puff stitch. Chain 1 in next space, make a slip stitch like this. We in first round of this round we had 7 double crochet, in next we had 6 double crochet with 1 chain, in last we have 5 puff stitch in last round. Now chain 1, make first puff stitch 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1, again second puff stitch of 4 rounds. Two, 3, 4. Chain 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1 and last fifth 1, 2, 3, 4. Chain 1 and in last make a slip stitch. And here our border is ready now. I hope you like this video, so please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Keep watching.